You've already seen how the inspect tool works, where we can actually grab it here on Firebug's toolbar and then inspect an element by walking through and finding elements. And this is a pretty common case as I'm doing design work to find an element and be able to look at properties or layout or even style of a particular element. But it doesn't really end there. You can also, if you're in a fairly complex object, sometimes it might be hard to actually pick the element with the picker. It maybe even be something like a flyout panel or something that only happens on mouse hover or something like that. And none of those events are fired when you're dealing with the inspect tool. But as you're looking at your HTML, you're able to right click over any element, and this gives you a context menu that gives you a number of options. There's this inspect element with the little Q there that will show you the inspection in the WebKit tools we showed you in the earlier video. There's also this option of inspect element with Firebug, and this is the one I generally am going to want to use because this is going to go ahead and select that element inside the DOM for me to really take a look at it. So in the case as I'm looking through here, I notice some overlapping problems, so I might just right click on top of this, say inspect with Firebug, and then toy with the width and the height in order to get, wrapping and those sorts of things working.